Okay, welcome to room 12 to 11. This is an Excel forward corner suite. So as you see, we have a wet bar right here with plenty of storage for underneath as well. You have your fridge, and you also get a lovely bottle of sparkling wine when you book in an Excel suite, with lovely ice every day. You have your wine glasses, your champagne glasses, regular glasses. It also comes with 2 big bottles of water that are included, and then they also add in these extra 2, but you do have to pay for these ones. These ones are $4.50. It's a nice storage. You have binoculars in here, which we found that to be awesome. Your hair dryer's right there. More storage space. You have a lovely chair right here. Nice vanity with the lights, which is lovely. I know me. I love doing my makeup right here. You have plenty of outlets right here, and also USB ports right there. This is one entrance into your balcony, which I will show later. You have a lovely storage, lovely closet. Love these baskets. Love, love, love. Good for socks. Okay. Should tell you have more storage underneath here. It's the one thing that we love about this is just all of the storage. Love the sofa, of course, it's good. You have a very big TV screen right here. Now coming into the bathroom, of course you have a toilet there, but you have a lovely rain head shower along with 1, 2, 3, 4 other pressure spigots. And then you have a wand right there as well. The shower was lovely. Of course, it comes with the shampoo, conditioner, and bath and shower gel. Big shower, love it. Over here, you have your sink, of course. Standard sink, but you have tons of storage space underneath there. You also have more here, as you can see, which is lovely. When you close, you have, comes with 6 towels daily, which is lovely, and you have your hooks here. Now there is a door handle right here that separates your bathroom from your master, which is also nice. But you have this lovely king size bed. I will give you a better view right here. There you go. You have 2 reader lights, 1 on each side. They pop up, of course. You can see that, along with a USB, on each side. Yet again, tons of storage. You have a TV. Another thing that I still really enjoy about Carnival is that they still do the lovely towel animals and their shapes. We have a heart today, which is lovely. You have a full length mirror from head to toe right here, ladies. That's a lovely mirror for whenever you're getting ready. This right here is another entranceway onto your balcony, which I will show you later as well. There's another storage closet, and I don't know about you, but I love having robes. So you get 2 robes, tons of storage. You can open up this one too. tons of storage in here. You have a safe, which is big enough for a laptop. Yet again, you have these lovely drawers. Great for unpacking. I love how everything is very easy and accessible. And that's not it. You have another closet, which we already started packing up and putting things in ours. And here's the other side to it. There you go. And part 2 of the balcony will be next.